arrived at a very special place. In times past, the Rakshas of Anandapur brought exotic animals here, including magnificent birds from all around the world. The Maharakshas are long gone, but the birds remain. Birds of many nations, many species. Journeyed with us into a world that until now we've only observed from a distance. A world that fills the sky above with grace, color, and light. Until now, you may have ignored this vanishing world, but the free people of Anandapur use this ancient gathering place to promote the conservation effort you see going on all around the village. This is no fairy tale, but a true story in which you play an important part. Enjoy these beautiful creatures as they soar into your heart on their flights of wonder.
Everybody doing today? We got a nice good close look at some birds. Well, my name is Corey, and I'm here to welcome you to Flights of Wonder Bird Show. I'm one of just a team of researchers brought here to Anandapur to take care of and study all the beautiful birds that you'll find in this ancient aviary. But the best part about my day is this. When I get to come out here, share all these incredible birds with you, and their very cool natural behaviors. We're going to get started with this guy. This is Miles. Miles is called a trumpeter hornbill. They're found in the forests of Africa. They fly around looking for lots of different things to eat, like fruit and insects, but even flying insects. In fact, that's what we're going to demonstrate with this right here. I want you to imagine that this right is a big, fat, juicy dragonfly, and Miles, your spots. Ready, Miles? Ready? Yeah! That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yes, there's somebody who wants to come up and try that. Somebody younger who wants to come up and try it. How about you in the pink all the way in the back there? You come on up here. I'm going to throw the grape up. You just fly on up and catch it. Hold on the way up. What's your name? Elizabeth? All right, Elizabeth, let me give you that grape. When I count to 3, you're going to throw that straight up in the air, okay? All right, Miles, why don't you come on over here? Elizabeth has a grape for you. All right, ready, Elizabeth? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Excellent work, Elizabeth. You did a great job. Thank you so much. Miles, that was wonderful. And ladies and gentlemen, that is why you don't find flying grapes in the forests of Africa anymore. Yeah, they don't stand a chance with birds like Miles. You did a great job. Thank you so much. That was Miles, our trumpeter hornbill. Well, I'm glad you liked Miles, because we have a lot of very cool birds for you to see today.